Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain, fog lamps, Bluetooth. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.